Hey there, fellow online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel. If you're on a quest to boost your online earnings, you've landed at the right place. Today, I'm diving deep into the Rapid Profit Machine. In this comprehensive review, I'll walk you through what it's all about, its pros, cons, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision. But before we begin, if you're into making money online, subscribing to our channel will keep you in the loop with all things digital success. Alright, let's jump right into it. The Rapid Profit Machine is the brainchild of seasoned marketer James Devil Taylor. It's a complete marketing system that revolves around affiliate marketing. But here's the twist, it's strategically designed to promote not just any product, but also the Rapid Profit Machine itself, along with the powerful builderall platform. Now, let's explore the key features and benefits that set this system apart. 1. Comprehensive training. From unraveling the world of affiliate marketing to choosing your niche, products, and understanding the ins and outs of traffic, the training is thorough and valuable, whether you're a beginner or a pro. 2. Bridge and capture pages. The system guides you through creating effective bridge and capture pages to collect emails and turn prospects into buyers. 3. Traffic strategies galore. From solo ads to YouTube, TikTok, and even lesser-known strategies, you're equipped with a versatile arsenal to drive quality traffic. 4. Upsells for success. Rapid Profit Machine offers upsells like RPM Pro, which enhances commissions and offers advanced training, ensuring you're prepared for success. Now, let's weigh the upsides and downsides. Pros. James Devil Taylor's proven success as a top builderall affiliate lends credibility. Diverse traffic strategies cater to different preferences and budgets. The provided capture and bridge pages are visually appealing and boost conversion. Cons. The reliance on solo ads might not yield the best quality traffic. The done-for-you setup might oversimplify the branding process, which is crucial for long-term success. The verdict. In the grand scheme of done-for-you systems, Rapid Profit Machine shines. James Taylor's track record and the system's approach to diverse traffic strategies stand out. However, solo ads may not deliver the desired quality, so tread carefully. Remember, success in affiliate marketing lies in branding yourself and standing out. Before I wrap up, if you're ready to build your own profitable affiliate marketing business from the ground up while creating your unique brand, click the link in the description. My free training covers everything from traffic sources to effective branding, helping you maximize your online income potential. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review valuable, hit that thumbs up button, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more insights into the world of online success. Until next time, take care and keep thriving!